Hello, my name is Ken Fortier, product owner for the integration team. Mastercam 2018 brings a number of additions and improvements to the Mastercam simulator. A third tab has been added, giving you access to simulation. You can now backplot, verify, and run simulation all within Mastercam simulator. The interface itself has been modified to look and feel like the main Mastercam interface, with similar icons, tools arranged for workflow, and a floating toolbar. The ability to add bookmarks adds power and saves time when using Mastercam Simulator. You create bookmarks manually or automatically based on items such as operation change or tool inspection points, or specified increments. Bookmarks allow you to return to specific locations within the playback, showing you the in-process stock at that specific time without having to restart the playback from the beginning. These additions and improvements increase your efficiency and capabilities when using Mastercam Simulator.
The functionality in Mastercam Simulator has been enhanced to extend your ability to check and present your toolpaths before sending them to the machine. A modified version of Mastercam's machine simulation product is now included and available from within Mastercam Simulator. Select Verify from the Toolpaths Manager to open Mastercam Simulator. Click Simulation on the Home tab to view the part on your machine. While in simulation mode, click the Simulation tab to adjust what to display during playback. You can use clipping planes, save the stock as an STL, or use collision checking. The same options that are in Verify are available in Simulation. Set your preferences for simulation mode from within Mastercam in the newly designed Simulator Options dialog box. Your preferences will be reflected the next time you open Mastercam Simulator. The Save Presentation option preserves your settings and layout of your simulator session and allows you to view the simulation on any computer, even if it does not have Mastercam installed. Simply select Save Presentation on the Home tab to save an executable file. Create bookmarks to refer to specific points during Verify, Backplot, or Simulation. Use Automatic Bookmark to insert bookmarks at certain locations, such as a tool change or operation change. The bookmarks you create display on the playback bar. You can also add bookmarks directly from the playback bar. Select any bookmark to display the part as it appears at that moment in the simulation process.